Another thing that will help you to grow very fast is called collaboration. At this point, I want to encourage you to learn how to collaborate with influencers, with people that are doing very well. If you can relate with anybody, yes, relate to the person and collaborate with the person and shoot video. For example, if you collaborate with me and my followers sees that you watching this video collaborate with me, since they see me on your page, you know what is going to happen? This is what is going to happen. They will come and follow you because they want to hear my voice. That is it. They will come and follow you. At the same time, if your followers sees you on my page, they will follow me. Do you understand now? It is called the law of affiliates. It seems that things that we have in common now, so for that reason they will come. So reach out to creators, reach out to others, content creators that are within your niche. Please, very important. These people should be within your niche. So if you're doing real estate, or you're doing finance, or you're doing marriages, then look for people that are in that niche and collaborate with them so you people can shoot contents together and upload. So this will actually do what we call crossbreeding in agriculture or in biology. Good. It's going to crossbreed your own fans to my own aspect, and it's also crossbreed my own fans to your own side. And what do we lose? This is the words of Mark Angel. He said that why I like content creation is because your followers can still come and watch my video and still come back and watch your own, and we have nothing to lose. So what do we lose? So why don't we utilize this part? So that being the case, collaborate with others. When you see someone that is doing well, even if it's an upcoming or not, because someone that is an upcoming today, tomorrow will not remain an upcoming. And the video you shoot with that person's this year will still fly next 5, 10, 20 years. I know most big influencers, most big content creators will not like to collaborate with those upcoming ones. Yes, they will not like to collaborate with them because they think, you want to come and get my followers. But let's be truthful. What do you lose if I should get your followers to also follow me and watch my content? What do you lose? Nothing. No, tell me now, what do you lose? Nothing. And this is the funny side. Let's assume that I am just starting up right now. Get what I'm saying? And you, as a big content creator, follows me today. After 5 years, after 3 years, are you aware that I will no longer be an upcoming? Do you understand now? And someone that would have followed you after 3 years probably might come from my page. Might be because he knows me, likes my content, and this time around, he's now seen my video in your page. I say, wow, these people are friends, let me follow them. So please, everyone should collaborate. Collaborate with either these upcoming content creators or just reach out to people that will accept. Now, what I want to say is reach out. Don't say they will not accept it. Just reach out. Just do it. Just reach out to them. Talk to them. Tell them, please, can we collaborate? Can we collaborate? If they accept, do it. It's going to grow your page.